Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to develop a Google Doc form for the questionnaire. So this is the questionnaire and I have to convert this questionnaire into the Google Doc form. So what you have to do is you have to first open the Google and then write Google Doc form and then click on enter. After that, you can see a link over here that is Google Forms sign in Google Docs. You have to click on this. For accessing it, you have to sign in your Gmail account before converting your questionnaire into the Google Doc form, and then you can see this kind of an interface. So what I am just doing, I'm just clicking on this blank form, and then now I can convert my questionnaire into this Google Doc form. So first of all, I would like to enter the description over here. So the questionnaire is related to, let's suppose, green purchase intention. And if I want to add some description over here, I can write few lines over here as well. After this, I have a question related to gender. So what I'm just going to do is to write my first question. So gender, and the options were male and female, male and female. After this, make sure to open this required option so that respondent cannot skip this question. Make a duplicate file of this by clicking on this option and then enter your next question. Next question is related to education. I just copied that from my sheet and then pasted over here and then adjusted it. The options are undergraduate. Okay. I just copy it from there. And I'm just copying it from there and then paste it over here. And the last option is this. So just clicking on add another option, I can add my third option as well. Now again, click on this. Make sure you should open this required option in each question so that respondent cannot skip the question. After this, you have to click again on the duplicate file to enter the other information related to the demographics. So the other option is age, and the options are 18 to 26. I'm just copying it from my sheet and then paste it over here. Copying and paste it, copying and paste it, and then copying, and then last option, copying and then paste it. All right, again, make a duplicate file for this to enter another information. Let's suppose this, oops, Control C, Control V, and then the options of this. So this, copy and then paste it, copy and then paste it. All right, so in this question, we have only three options. So I have to remove the other options. So click on this cross option to delete these. All right, make a copy file for this to enter the other information related to the demographics. So this is employee of private bank or public bank. All right, I'm just writing it over here, copying it from this, and then paste it over from there. All right, again, click on this, and then let's suppose you have done with all of the demographics. Now you have to enter the information related to your variables. So I'm just going to add a section over here by clicking on this option. Okay, now you can see the section. The name of the section should be the name of the variable. So the variable name is relative advantage. I'm writing it over here by copying and pasting. And then you have to click on this plus sign to add the questions related to this variable. So I'm just copying my first item of this variable and then pasting it over here. Okay, so my options are multiple choice. So I have to click on the multiple choice option and then enter my answers. So the answers are strongly agree, neutral, disagree, and the last one is strongly disagree. After that, click on this required option to open it and then make a duplicate file for this because I have three questions for this variable. So I'm just copying it from my Excel sheet and pasting it over here. Options are already present in this duplicate file. Again, click a duplicate file of this and then copy it from this Excel sheet and then paste it on the Google Doc. All right. Okay, now all of my three questions were entered. Now again, I have to add a section for the other variable. So the name of the other variable is compatibility. I'm just copying it and then pasting it in the next section. So it is over here. All right, I have to add questions related to this. So I'm just clicking on this plus option to add the questions of this variable. So this, again, in this, I can see that already options are available over here. Let's suppose if these options are not available, you have to just again type like we have done in we have done in the first variable. All right, so I'm just clicking on this because I can see the options. Make a duplicate file for this. Again, click on the other variable, other item of the variable, paste it over here. Make sure to open the required option. I think I forget to open the required option from the first question. So I'm just clicking on the first question and opening it. Okay. And do it again. Okay. Again, I have to add the third question. Oops, sorry. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Click on this, copy this item, and then paste it over here. Paste it over here. Again, I have to add another section because I have three variables. So the name of the variable is complexity. I'm going to add it over here. Okay, and then click on this plus option to add the items of this variable. So let's suppose I'm just copying it and then pasting it over here. And I can see the options. Let's suppose if these options are not available, then you have to type it like this. Strongly agree. Again, agree. Again, I'm just entering it to going into the next option. Disagree and then strongly disagree. Again, I'm going to open this required option and then make a duplicate file for this. And now I'm just copying it, copying my next question and paste it over here. And again, I have to make a duplicate file for this for entering my third question. And then again, I have to click on this to enter my last question of this variable. So after this, my questionnaire is ready and it is ready to share it. So what I have to, for sharing it, I have to click on this send option and then click on this icon. And if you want to shorten the URL, you have to click on this. So this is the URL. You can send it to your friends and family. Let's suppose I'm going to share it with my friend. Okay, let's suppose I'm just opening my WhatsApp to share it to my friends, or I'm just saving it for myself. So let's suppose I'm going to save it over here. The WhatsApp is not working right now. Let's suppose I shared it, and if anybody click on the link, he or she can view this type of the information and they can fill it. So first of all, you have to develop the questionnaire and then fill it yourself and then check how the responses are created. All right. I hope this video will help you in developing the questionnaire on the Google Doc form. And you can see the responses over here. All right. On the same link. Okay. So what I have to do is, my internet is not working properly, I think. That's why I'm unable to see the questionnaire right now, but you can simply see it after using the URL generated from this form. All right. Okay. After this, let's suppose I'm going to check the responses later on. So what I have to do is I just have to write Google Doc form and the net is not working. Anyways, you can see the form that is created by you on the same link, that is Google Doc form. All right. I hope this video will help you in developing your research questionnaire in Google Doc form. Thank you so much.